When it comes to making your home more energy efficient, windows often play a key role. As one of the primary sources of heat gain and loss, old or inefficient windows can significantly impact your home's comfort and utility bills. For homeowners in Orangeburg, where hot, humid summers and occasional winter chills are the norm, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can transform your home's performance while reducing your carbon footprint. Here's how professional window installation in Orangeburg can boost your home's energy efficiency and why it's a smart investment for the long term. Improved insulation reduces energy loss. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer between the inside and outside of your home. In Orangeburg's warm climate, this means keeping the cool air from your air conditioner indoors and the hot, humid air outside where it belongs. Double or triple glazing. Modern windows feature 2 or 3 panes of glass with insulating spaces in between, significantly reducing heat loss and gain. Low E coatings. Low emissivity glass reflects heat while allowing natural light to pass through, improving insulation without sacrificing brightness. With better insulation, your HVAC system works less to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, leading to lower energy bills. Eliminate drafts and air leaks. Drafts caused by poorly fitted or aging windows can make it harder to regulate your home's temperature. Gaps in old frames or worn-out seals allow air to escape, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Tight sealing. Professional window installation ensures a precise fit and proper sealing to eliminate air leaks. Weatherproof materials. Energy-efficient windows come with weather-resistant frames that prevent warping or damage, keeping your home airtight. By eliminating drafts, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living space and significant energy savings. Reduced heat gain in summer. Orangeburg summers can be brutally hot, and windows are often the weakest link when it comes to heat gain. Energy-efficient windows combat this issue with advanced technologies that block unwanted heat. UV protection. Many energy-efficient windows block harmful UV rays, preventing heat from entering your home while protecting your furnishings from fading. Solar Heat Gain Coefficient, SHGC. Look for windows with a low SHGC rating, which indicates they effectively reduce solar heat gain. These features keep your home cooler, reducing the load on your air conditioning system and lowering your utility bills. Better winter performance. While Orangeburg is known for its warm climate, winters can bring cooler temperatures. Energy-efficient windows are just as effective at keeping warm air inside during the colder months. Argon or krypton gas fills. These inert gases are used between panes to provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss in winter. Thermal breaks in frames. Modern window frames feature thermal barriers that prevent heat from escaping. With energy-efficient windows, your home stays cozy and comfortable, no matter the season. Noise reduction for a peaceful environment. Although noise reduction isn't directly tied to energy efficiency, it's a welcome bonus of installing modern windows. The same technologies that improve insulation also dampen outside sounds, creating a quieter indoor environment. This is particularly beneficial in busy Orangeburg neighborhoods or homes near main roads. Long-term cost saving. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost compared to standard options, their long-term savings make them a worthwhile investment. Lower utility bills. Reduced energy consumption means significant savings over time. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades, including windows, are highly desirable to potential buyers, boosting your property's resale value. Environmental benefits. Installing energy-efficient windows doesn't just save you money, it's also a step toward a greener home. By reducing your energy consumption, you're helping to conserve resources and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. This makes energy-efficient windows an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious homeowners in Orangeburg. Tailored solutions for Orangeburg's climate. Not all windows are created equal, and it's important to choose designs that are optimized for Orangeburg's specific climate. Professional installers can help you select windows with features like durable frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum resist Orangeburg's high humidity and temperature fluctuations. Proper ventilation. Styles like casement or awning windows allow for better airflow while maintaining energy efficiency. Storm resistance. Impact-resistant windows provide additional protection during storms, a crucial consideration for this region. Why professional installation matters. Even the best windows can underperform if not installed correctly. Professional window installation ensures a secure, airtight fit, proper alignment and operation of moving parts, compliance with local building codes and energy efficiency standards. Working with experienced installers familiar with Orangeburg's climate guarantees optimal performance and longevity. Conclusion. A smart upgrade for Orangeburg homeowners. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and value. For homeowners in Orangeburg, where the climate demands durable, high-performance solutions, energy-efficient windows are a must. By investing in professional window installation, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, enhanced indoor comfort, and a quieter, more sustainable home. Take the first step toward a more energy-efficient future. Explore the wide range of modern window options available and make your Orangeburg home better equipped for every season.